Good day, everyone. Today, we will review some key ideas from freight management. Let us go through them clearly and simply, focusing on examples that matter. First, consider intermodal transportation. This approach allows goods to move seamlessly between modes, like rail and sea. Its biggest strength is cost efficiency. By combining long-haul rail connections with ocean shipping, firms reduce total transport costs and handle higher cargo volumes. It improves reliability and makes scheduling more flexible, allowing firms to adjust quickly to market changes. Importantly, relying more on rail and sea also supports environmental sustainability, aligning with national and global sustainability goals. Next, let us review the cost elements in parcel and courier services. Here, fuel costs dominate, especially when global prices rise. Labor and staffing are significant too, making efficiency vital. Maintenance and equipment depreciation must be accounted for, as aging vehicles can cause downtime. Terminal and handling charges arise from sorting and loading activities. Meanwhile, regulations like licensing, safety standards, and insurance add to the cost. Investing in technology, like shipment tracking systems, is also critical. Together, these elements form the backbone of pricing decisions for parcel and courier services. Moving to strategic carrier management, selecting carriers and network partnerships is vital. Maintaining service quality and reliability across these partnerships is what separates premium offerings from the rest. Evaluating pricing strategies that balance cost efficiency and value delivery is crucial. Optimizing equipment usage and making long-term investments, such as in aircraft or delivery trucks, improves efficiency. Meanwhile, digital tools like predictive analytics and real-time shipment visibility help firms operate closer to global best practices. Sustainability and environmental compliance must also be priorities when making long-term decisions. Then, consider the challenges of intermodal freight for multinational firms. Coordinating between carriers and modes can be complex. Variability in service reliability occurs when one mode operates smoothly, but another faces delays. Scheduling across modes can lead to longer delivery times and higher handling costs. Regulations focusing on sustainability further complicate the process. Yet, when managed well, intermodal transportation delivers cost savings, efficiency, and a more resilient supply chain. In summary, sound freight management balances cost, efficiency, service quality, and sustainability. Done well, it supports long-term growth and strengthens customer trust. Thank you, everyone. Good luck in your exams.